What's up, guys? Listen, Pancake Waffle Day is gonna be tomorrow in the morning time, whenever y'all want to show up. If anybody's still here, I forgot about it, and I actually didn't. Funny enough, I didn't put somebody in charge of Pancake Waffle Day because I'm graduating, and I need to give it to somebody else. And everybody tells me, "Who are you gonna choose for Pancake Waffle Day?" And I forgot. I forgot, honestly. So I'm just gonna go in the green room right now, as I am right here. I'm gonna just pick somebody, transfer or not. They're making pancakes next year, so I'll be back. All right, we're going in the green room right now. I'm gonna try to be as quiet as possible. It's Casey. All right, I'm gonna choose Casey. Oh God! Hey Casey, how's it going?
Oh, hey Max, what's up?
Nothing much. I'm just vlogging, you know, just.
Oh, nice.
You're fine with the camera, right?
Oh, yeah, it's fine.
Cool. I just figured after graduation I'd be a YouTuber, you know.
Heck yeah, go for it.
Thank you. Question. Do you like pancakes?
Not really. I mean, it's just like water and flour, and you burn it.
What about what about waffles? Waffles.
I mean, they're just fancy pancakes, right?
True. Yeah. Listen. I do this pancake waffle thing, and I just kind of forgot. Would you be willing to like make pancakes and waffles for people here, or
No, thanks.
is that like a hard no, or just...
That's a hard no. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. It's all good. It's all okay. Huh?
Yeah. As long as we have an understanding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got an understanding. Hey Casey, stand up.
And come enjoy our pancakes and waffles that we will make for you. And bacon.
Sing the song. From Adventure Time. You know that? You know Adventure Time?
I didn't watch it.
What the heck did you watch? What did you watch? Uncle Grandpa? What did you watch?
I didn't. Uncle, that doesn't make sense.
Okay. Oh God. Bacon pancakes. Bacon. Put some bacon in. I put it. You know the song. Stop.
Okay.
Listen. You're gonna sing the song, or I'm gonna make you drink pancake batter. Yeah.
I'll do it. I can do it.
Yeah. And it's gonna be next.
Making pancakes. Making pancakes.
Get some bacon.
Get some bacon.
And
Put it in a pancake.
Yeah.
Making pancakes.
Yeah. Don't look at the knife. Okay.
Making pancakes.
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna make.
That's what I'm gonna make. Bacon and pancakes.
Bacon pancakes. That's what we're gonna make.
That's what we're gonna make. Bacon pancakes.
You hit the note. It's something funny. Stop laughing.
Is that the song?
Yeah, that's the song. Good.
So I got it.
Yeah.
Making pancakes, making bacon pancakes.
Get some bacon and you put it
in a pancake. And the batter.
Hey, listen. Stop stuttering. You're making it look like you're scared.